tutorials we can go through. So today our focus will be on app builder. So app builder, we can navigate to the app builder through two ways. One method is directly we can click on this app builder icon. Other, we can go through this. Here there are the options: create, import, export, and workspace utilities. Similarly, if we click here, these things will open here. Create, import, dashboard, workspace utility. Right. So here, recent applications we open. These are there, and these are the tasks. But we can do, like, we can manage the backup. We can export the application. We can browse by facility. Like that will be a report here. And we worked on this for a techno flash training. And after this one is the application ID that will be system generated. You can see here as well, 40232, the same thing. And this one is the 20929. So we'll discuss actually what the application ID and what is the use of this. Okay. So if we start, then we can create an application from here. If we want to import some existing application, export dump, we can import that from here. If we export application and then want to import, then for importing, sorry, import is there, but to export, we use this. Even when we create this import, okay, this is to import the system. And once we log in our application, then we have the option to export this here as well. But that is the other part. But here from we can directly export, and it will take us to like this. We can select the application, and then we can make it export. There are multiple options. We'll go through that later on, but not now. So today's objective to understand this GUI, to understand how to build application with separate methods. There are multiple methods. So navigation is two-way. From the upper menu, we can navigate to the application builder, or directly once we create on the app builder icon, we can navigate to this app builder console. So here, this is creating a new application, import, dashboard, and utilities. We already discussed. These are the applications which we have created or imported, but where these are in our system, in our workspace. All application will show here. This one is the imported and this one is the created. Here from we can take the backups, export the application. Once again, another navigation, and then we can browse it. These are the list of applications, and this is about this page. So guys, any question or any query? I think you can understand till now. This was very simple and explanatory. Are you guys with me?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bharatji, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
There is one question regarding where is create application from scratch and direct from wizard or direct from creating page, means what is the difference?
Can you repeat your question?
Create application from scratch means it is something different.
So create application in from scratch. We did this. You were there in last session. So we created this application that was from scratch. From scratch means everything you have to create on the go. And other question was your, can you?
No,
repeat?
only this means simple application creation from create button, and second is create application from scratch.
This is
The difference.
No difference. Creating any application will start from here. Okay. So this one is the scratch. So here there is options. where we can see that we can create an application using this method, create application. That is a scratch one. Using the wizard, that's again a scratch one. Okay.
Okay,
And
okay, Bharatji. Thank you.
creating app from a file, here database is already created and we are creating an application based on that database. That is not from scratch. That will be pre-built database we are using. Either it's in CSV, Excel, XML, JSON, or some database table as well. Or you can even copy paste the data from somewhere and you can create application and create an application based on some quick SQL. That's also a database is predefined by the quick SQL. Application importing from some or installing from gallery. These are the predefined applications. Or copy an existing application, that is also pre-defined application. But using the create wizard and using this manual, both are the scratch.
Okay, Bharatji. Thank you.
Yeah. So yesterday we created through the wizard, that one. And today we'll explore all of four options, how it works. I hope you are clear now, or any other query from anyone? Hmm. So we are starting our first method, how we create an application. So we can click on the create, then it will take us to this page. Here we have multiple options to creating an application. Okay. Like I give a name, day 4. Okay. What we can say, training module, day 4. We put something name like this. And ID is the auto-generated, so we are not doing anything with this. But through the setup, we can make this as a manual. And even we can change this as of now. Suppose I do this, it will work. Every ID already exists. Okay, this one is already exists, so that's why it's not working. But this should be a unique ID. So this was the very basic and very scratch application where it gives us one global page, one home page, and one login page. If you run this application, it will give you nothing. Only login page, you can log in, and there's that is a home page. There is no functionality, no database, nothing, no profile, like only sign out. So that one is the skeleton of basic application. In this application, we can add multiple other pages. We can add multiple objects, database, and everything. But that all are based on our manual activities. Like if I want to create a page, I can here, there are this much of pages. Blank page, calendar, cards, chart, classic reports, comments, content row, dashboards, data loading, faceted search, homes, interactive grids, interactive reports, map, master detail forms, media list, search page. smart filters, timeline, tree, unified task list, wizard, workflow, and plugins. These are the pages. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 24 type of page we can create here. Then there are 10 pages are as a feature pages like theme style selection, login page, job reporting, feedback, email reporting, push notification, about page, access control, activity reporting, configuration. These are the feature pages which help in the admin side. Then there are a few legacy pages like form on a local procedure. With procedure base, we can create a form, summary page, or legacy data loading pages we can create. So this type of pages we can create here. So we'll definitely went through these all and we'll try to understand that what are the usage and as per syllabus we'll go through. If these are the covered and current syllabus, then we'll definitely give you the understanding of these all and deep dive as well. So this type of pages we can create here. We can add here. Now what? This was a very basic application, giving us nothing, only giving bare minimum components. Like how to add a new page, we'll definitely try that, but after a few minutes. Before that, I would like to show you the other option. You can compare them that how it works. So this was the training module.